Hayi bafethu phela le story lesi ne, it's a love story if ungasibheka kahle bafethu, even if it was scripted ne, it was scripted nice bafethu ukuthi uLionel Messi kumele anikeze uLamine Yamal izintambo. Why? Because Lamine Yamal is the only player, ngizwe kahle, the only player right now in the world on the opportunity or on the potential yokuthi angafika kule level ka Lionel Messi. At the age of 19, he still has a lot to conquer, bafethu. He still needs to win a Champions League, another, So, just to look at it, bafethu, it's a love story. Lamine Yamal made a take over from Lionel Messi. This was Lionel Messi's last World Cup. I'm sure about that. So, Lionel Messi bafethu, unikeza ubani uLamine Yamal izintambo. So, for thina ama fans waka Messi bafethu, we are not really sad. We are happy because it's a new generation. It's a new chapter. Lamine Yamal is better than Cristiano Ronaldo. Lamine Yamal une World Cup. Lamine Yamal win a World Cup before Cristiano Ronaldo. You like it or not? Anyway, Lionel Messi bengadingi le World Cup. That's why nje ebengakhombisa ngisho fighting spirit kwi final cause ebefuna ukuhandover intambo kumfana omncane uLamine Yamal ebagqilaza emnike iBallon d'Or ezezoyiwina. Sinomlando ke manje. Lamine Yamal uzowina iBallon d'Or, uMbappe ngakayiwini. Right? Lamine Yamal une World Cup, uRonaldo akanayo. Lamine Yamal noMessi bobili banama World Cup. You like it or not? Lamine Yamal is the best player in the world right now. Lamine Yamal still better than Kylian Mbappe. Ufakazi nangu Lamine Yamal uphethe World Cup njengamanje and yowina iBallon d'Or ongazake yiwine Kylian Mbappe. Bafowethu relaxani bekuyitiye lomndeni leli. Bekuyitiye vele besifuna ukuhandova intambo kumfana omncane osanesikhathi osazogqilaza. This thing was planned. Yabona makhulunywa ngeWorld Cup ekuthiwa is rigged. Lena kodwa bengomndeni anihlangani nawe. Niyabona bekuhleka nje bekurelaxa kakhulu bafowethu. Umoya phansi kuzogqilazwa la. But I can't wait bafowethu uqala eClásico. uGavi nje eyochomela abantu. 25 no October ayi eClásico. iBarcelona vele ifike neWorld Cup egroundini. Ukuze iReal Madrid ithi uLamine Yamal lapho World Cup iBallon d'Or izothathwa December noma izothathwa ukuze ezofika nawo egroundini. Kumnandi yazi kwamnandi ifene eBarca.
Awudipheze enduna madoda. Hey, iGoat le njalo ifuna ukubuyela network babi sijampile. Igeba kahle nje bayisa on, hayi isuke ihokhela nje icruisela. Ungawokhaya noba senishoda. Ushodise even more. Hayibo. Ungasho nje kunophikilwana igoli eSpain. Madoda. Hawe ba, alani kahle maGoat amahle. Finally.
One of the most disciplined team more World Cup is Spain. Disciplined midfield, disciplined backline. Goalkeeper kisabolela. Unai Simon angasmakala kacha goalkeeper of the tournament. Muthola wilwile the whole World Cup u consider only one goal. Lazibara ntruwe ke mutholo suzwana marena ntruwe. Imagine the whole if you know how to manage your backline. There's no way. There's no way. Man. As long as you know how to manage your backline. Then when Audi or America will be easy as a goalkeeper. That's why Unai Simon consider only one goal. The whole tournament. Only one goal. That guy wana mola go bereka experience go bereka le skill. Mola go Unai Simon go bereka experience go bereka skill. That's all. Bafana ba banyane bo Kubasi ke bafana ba banyane mara tsoba go mota go molaetsa or Askaya boya Shalamuki Mark Diaso. That's all. Ka gona le jo then all right. Ya go manela go re kwa midfielding ba tshwere da commander Rodrigo. Spain was bound to win, guys. We're winning at the first 30 minutes or Spain is going to win this game. Kamgarna, yes, Argentina got right, but Argentina is strong and if I need history would take a World Cup. Mara, Mara, Spain, the first 30 minutes is convinced they can also take this World Cup. I know what I'm Spain is convinced or Bantua by Nyaga, but serious by Nyaga.
After 45 minutes, we all lost hope. We say, you know what, Argentina is taking this one. So, guys, we just want to say congratulations for Spain for winning against Argentina, guys. A lot of people were saying this World Cup is scripted. There's no excited about it because we already know that Argentina, they're going to win against Spain. Right now, that is Spain has won. There's a lot of division again. People are saying, since Messi is leaving, now he wants to introduce Lamana, guys. No wonder why Spain has won against Argentina. So, guys, some people are just crashing out. Those fans like Ronaldinho, they say they are happy as long Messi didn't win the World Cup. They are fine, guys. I still remember Ronaldinho once said that if he wins this World Cup, he's marrying his currently girlfriend, the one that they have 3 kids with. So people are asking themselves what's going to happen right now, because since he hasn't won the World Cup, some are saying he's coming back alleged. So there's a lot of division. People are so excited. Some are saying Lamana deserve this World Cup. I mean, he's 19. The World Cup was playing with the 19 July 2026. So people are saying a lot of stuff when it comes to this situation, guys. His family was there. They were busy celebrating with him. It's a beautiful moment. Even Messi went and hugged him to say congratulations. So now people are asking themselves if this World Cup it was scripted or not, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this? Is South African are crashing out? Some are saying they are so happy to see Lamana winning this World Cup, guys. Remember Bafana Bafana also was part of the World Cup 2026, even though they didn't make it, but at least they make us so proud. As South Africa, we are proud of you, Bafana Bafana. In the history of 2026 World Cup, you guys going to be there to say South Africa was there. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.